Hi! In front of me is Nokia 6320 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into menu. Now you need to select device settings and go into privacy and security. From here, go into app permissions. And pick one of your apps, for example Facebook. Over here you can, for example, click on geolocation, and if you wish to deny access to it, you have to click on deny. As you can see, Facebook no longer has access to my device location. If you wish to grant one, you can click on select and tap on grant or select ask every time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!